Hi, I am Praveen from grade 9th.
Hi, I am Divya from grade 9.
Let me explain about parts of circle. Circle has 5 parts.
Radius, diameter, chord, circumference and center.
This is the center of a circle. This is a circumference. This is chord. This is diameter. This is radius. Radius. Distance between center of a circle half of the diameter is known as radius. Diameter. Chord passes through a center of a circle is known as diameter.
It is also known as longest chord.
Chord. Joining any 2 points of a circle is known as chord. Circumference. A perimeter of a circle going around one's boundary is known as circumference. Thank you.